it going, guys? So welcome back to my channel, and again my name is Miko. So for today's video, what I am going to be teaching you is all about the update functionality under the create, update, delete system that we're currently discussing, which is called Crud. So let us now begin. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we just need to pull out our Visual Studio, which is this one. Not that one, this one. Alright, so since we've pulled out our code for this, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to have an update function in here. So how do we do that? Let us first add here inputs. Alright, so let's add it inside this, and I just need to have an input. Okay, we didn't type, which is going to be text. Okay, and then inside is going to be the onChange event, which we're going to be tagging as an event, and set new name because I wanted to change my name. So event dot target dot value. Alright, so afterwards you did that, what you need to do next is to do button. And doing a button, you just need to, well, actually you don't need to have a name there, just need to have type submit, and then in here just say update. Alright, and then we will be having an on click here which says that then let's name this update info, and then inside here let's just say vol.id. Alright, so inside here let's now create a functionality here. Let's name it const update info, then let's create an axios that do put. Right, but beforehand we did this, I need to go back in the server first because we still didn't declare it. But yeah, let's do it now. I mean, before we go back to the axios index, or on the index for the server side. So let's just put here, instead of show, let's just put here update information, and then just simply put then or promise, and then let's create a response here saying that alert information has been updated. Alright, so I think that's just it, but apparently I forgot to do this in here, but yeah, I can't blame, because we still didn't technically we still didn't declare this set new name, so we need to declare that. So I'm just going to be declaring it here in a state. So let's say set new name, but in reality just name this here as new name. So yep, do that, and then use state, then do a semicolon, and then once everything is there, just we'll add the ID here, because remember we tagged the ID here on the on click event. So each and every time that you click here, the ID specifically for the section you've clicked the button will be put here. So let's just put here the name, then the ID, then actually let's just do this instead, name, and then the ID of the ID, and actually it shouldn't be like this. Sorry for the confusion, guys. It shouldn't be like that. So I guess that's it. Alright, let me just declare this as a new name instead. So okay, let's now go to our server.js, and let's go inside this, and let's now create here app.get or app.put / update information or / and let's create a request and response. So let's do a database, or let's do a const name is equals to rec.body.name, and then let's do const id is equals to rec.body.id, and then let's do a database inside here that query, or that does a query which says that update the information, which is our table, set, for instance, the name. So we're changing the name in where id is equals to question mark. So for words, let's do the name and the id here, and let's do some error and result check. So if there is gonna be an error, then should I say that they should just console log the error, and else if there wouldn't be any error, then let's just say a response saying the result. So let us now try it out. Alright, so let's just do this, and then cd go to the view, and then npm start. So let's just take this, and let's just wait for it to prompt. So yep, it's now prompting, and I'll be just doing an inspect element inside here so I can watch the console. And let's power up the server. So cd cd server, then node index.js. So let's try it out now. So if we show all, so we can see here the Miko, the Abigail, and then the update button. So for example, I wanted to update Miko as Gerald Miko. Then I click on the update. Then the information has been updated, but let me click on show all once more, and Gerald Miko is there. So that's how you do the update function in Crud. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you've learned something for this 3-part tutorial for Crud system. So have a nice day, guys. Bye for now.